Right, welcome back guys to another video, and today what we've done is something completely different. It is Tuesday and DMO Deejay has actually arranged something with German Donner Kebab GDK, so there's a meet here in Burton on Trent. I'm just going to walk around here, see people behaving sensibly at a DMO meet. There's going to be plenty of cars. There you go, even a diesel. A straight pipe diesel as well. So yeah, there's plenty of cars, plenty of action to be had here. So hopefully we'll get some decent content for today. So yeah, just keep watching and check it out. Good lad. Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
Nice car, mate. Nice car.
Let's have a look. Yeah, I don't think that's anybody.
You're missing a part.
Well, this is our old car.
Yeah. Is that one of yours?
Oh, check out this 63. Finally, the main man's here. DMO's actually arrived now, so let's check it out.
I got just...
Give it a ring. And I'll say to everybody, give it a ring.
This one's got no work on it.
Is it? Yeah, 3 weeks. 3 weeks, maybe. Oh, mate.
Left it off.